Let's create something magical with the Floral Romance Inspo Box. It's easy to design and paint a piece of furniture when you have everything you need inside of one Inspo box. Let's begin. First of all, clean your piece with white lightning and rinse. There's two colors inside of this box, drop cloth and dried sage. Let's design a beautiful ombre blend. Ombre just means more than one color mixed together. To start this blend, I use dried sage around the edges of the piece, all the way around each side, and then leaving the middle for drop cloth. When painting with chalk mineral paint, I like to use a smooth synthetic brush. I also like to use a spray misting bottle filled with water. This allows me to keep my brush damp and minimize any brush strokes. Let's add in the lighter color. This color is drop cloth. I applied it to the middle of the piece. After the initial first coats have dried, I'll ombre blend the colors together. On the second coat of paint, keep a separate brush for each color. Using your spray misting bottle filled with water, you can use your brushes to lightly blend the colors together. Keep a light hand and feather your strokes. This transfer is called the Floral Romance. It's available under Bells and Whistles on the Dixie Belle paint page. Gently unroll your transfer. Decide where you'd like to place it before removing the protective backing paper. Once you're ready to apply the transfer, gently pull back the clear release sheet to separate the transfer from its protective paper. I like to start from the outside edge and move inwards, using the plastic tool that's enclosed in the tube. Burnish your transfer down to make sure that it has adhered completely. Let's add some floral to the top of this table. Using my Thing-a-ma-jig, I applied Moonshine Metallics and Gold Digger through the floral Silkscreen stencil. I added a touch of shine with my gold gilding wax to all the edges of the table. What a cute makeover, thanks to Dixie Belle's Floral Romance Inspo Box.